consider number 8. We can write 8 in the form of product 2 into 2 into 2. Here the number 2 is repeated 3 times. Instead of multiplication, we represent it like this, 2 raised to 3. Here 2 is called the base and 3 is called the exponent or index. We read it as 2 raised to the power 3 or third power of 2. 2 raised to power 3 is also called the exponential form or index form of 8. Can you represent 16 in the exponential form? Of course. 16 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here 2 is repeated 4 times. So we write exponential form of 16 as 2 raised to the power 4. We can also represent 16 as product of 4 with 4. This means that exponential form of 16 can also be written as 4 raised to power 2. So a number can have different exponential forms. Now observe the pattern. 16 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is equals to 2 raised to power 4. 16 divided by 2 is 8, which is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 or 2 raised to the power 3. Note that the power is reduced by 1. Again 8 divided by 2 is 4, which is equals to 2 into 2 or 2 raised to the power 2. Here also the power is reduced by 1. What if we divide 4 by 2 again? 4 by 2 is 2, which is equals to 2 or 2 raised to the power 1. Here 2 occur only once, so we write its power as 1. In general, every number have power 1 is multiplied by 1 and is divided by 1. Thus, the first power of any number is that number itself. When the power is 1, we don't show it. If we further divide 2 by 2, then we get result 1. Continuing with the same pattern, now we can write the power of 2 as 0. In general, if the power of any number a is 0, then the value of the number is always 1. Again, if we divide 1 by 2, then we get 1 upon 2. We can write it as 1 upon 2 raised to the power 1. But if we follow the pattern, then we can also write it as 2 raised to power minus 1. Dividing 1 by 2 by 2, we get 1 by 4. Its exponential form can be written as 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2 or simply 2 raised to the power minus 2. Again dividing 1 by 4 by 2, we get 1 by 8, which is expressed as 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 or simply 2 raised to the power minus 3. So this means that the exponent or index could be positive, 0 or negative as well. Also remember that when the power of a number is 2 or 3, we use different way of reading. For example, this number is 10 raised to power 2. We also read it as 10 squared or the square of 10. Similarly, this number is 10 raised to power 3. We also read it as 10 cube or the cube of 10. Let's solve some examples on this topic. First example, write expanded form of 1425.36 using exponents. In this number, 1 is at thousands place, 4 is at hundreds place, 2 is at tens place, 5 is at units place, 3 is at tens place, and 6 is at hundreds place. So we can write its expanded form as 1 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 5 plus 3 into 1 by 10 plus 6 into 1 by 100. To write it using exponents, we keep the digits of the number same and write multiples of 10 in exponent form. Here, 1000 is 10 into 10 into 10 or simply 10 raised to the power 3. Similarly, 100 is 10 raised to the power 2. 10 has power 1, so we will not show it. 5 is at units place, write it as it is. 1 by 10 can be written as 10 raised to power minus 1. Similarly, 1 by 100 can be written as 10 raised to the power minus 2. Hence, exponential form of given number is 1 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 4 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 2 into 10 plus 5 plus 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. Next example, find the value of minus 2 raised to the power 3 and 2 raised to the power minus 3. Are they same? Here we have to compare the values of given exponents. For that, we must find their values. Minus 2 raised to the power 3 is equals to minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Here the product without sign is 8, and since negative sign is repeated 3 times, that is odd number of times, so we write negative sign before the product. Hence the result is minus 8. 2 raised to the power minus 3 is equals to 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3, which is equals to 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2 or 1 upon 8. If you compare these values, then these are not same. In fact, positive number 1 by 8 is greater than negative number minus 8. Next example, express 432 as a product of powers of prime factors. Factors of a number is exact divisor of that number. A factor that is a prime number is called prime factor. Here we have to find prime factors of 432 and then express them as a product of their powers. So let's first find prime factors of 432. Select smallest prime number 2. 432 is divisible by 2 as it has ending digit 1 of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Dividing 432 by 2, we get 216. Again ending digit is 6, so the number is divisible by 2. Dividing by 2, we get 108. This number is also divisible by 2. Again dividing by 2, we get 54. Further it is divided by 2, so we get 27. Now it is not divisible by 2. So we select next smallest prime number, that is 3. Sum of digits of 27 is 9, which is divisible by 3. So the number 27 is also divisible by 3. Dividing 27 by 3, we get 9. Further dividing 9 by 3, we get 3. Again dividing 3 by 3, we get 1. Here we stop. So we can represent 432 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here 2 is repeated 4 times, so we write it in exponential form as 2 raised to the power 4. Similarly, as 3 is repeated 3 times, so we write it in exponential form as 3 raised to the power 3. Hence, 432 is equals to 2 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 3.